Hi guys, today I'm gonna review this amazing tailgate strip light that I got. It's a great product, super well made. It comes with everything you need to install on your car. You can install on your truck or a regular vehicle. So it's 60 inches long and it's flexible and works amazing. You just need clean all the area where you're gonna start and remove this strip here and glue on your trunk or even on your window and connect this on your car. And here is gonna turn it on and off. Here I'm gonna change all the modes, all the lights, and you can use it for warning the other persons. It's great if you work at night, and that's it. It comes with 360 LED lights and works amazing. I recommend it. I hope you guys like it. Bye.